Facing the "you do not have sufficient access" error, this video covers simple fixes to restore your access. Let's get started. Let's start by searching for regedit. When you find it, click on Run as Administrator. Click Yes to allow any prompts that appear. Next, go to the top and click on File. Then select Export to save your current registry settings. Choose a location where you want to export the file and type a name for it. Then click Save. If you need to restore previous settings later, go back to File and click on Import. Select your backup file and click Open. Now, let's navigate through the registry. Expand hkey_local_machine. Then expand Software. Next, find and click on Policies. Expand Microsoft and then Windows. Right-click on Windows and select New. Then click on Key. Type the name Installer for the new key. Now, right-click in the blank space and select New. Then click on DWORD 32-bit value. Type the name Disable MSI. Double-click on Disable MSI. Make sure the value data is set to 0. Click OK to save your changes. Finally, right-click on Windows Start and restart your PC. You've made the necessary changes in the registry. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching.